What's up, guys? So we are headed to Ephrata, Washington on a mission to go look at a cabin with a little bit of land, and maybe something will happen out of this trip. If not, it's at least an adventure. And this beautiful girl right here hiding. Anyways, a little bit different scenery. Everybody's kind of used to like trees and the rain of Washington, and believe it or not, we have a desert. That's what powers your e-cars, guys. They're electric cars. That's what powers them. We are at the Vantage Bridge, the Columbia River, and the Wild Horse Monument. Good morning. Are you scared? Okay. Cool. Okay, it's not that bad. So we are here in Leavenworth, Washington, doing a gravity coaster, and yeah, she's in front of me. Check out the surrounding area a little bit for you guys. Trying to keep this thing somewhat hidden. They're like, no phones, blah, blah, blah. Phones over there. Huh? Thank you. Fair enough.